Hi guys, 12:15 a.m. na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. BFF, pangatlo na po ito, let me know kung may audio po, if everything is well, if you can hear me. Kuyang Melvin, alam ko gising ka pa, meron na bang audio? Is it, Sir Donato, meron na po ba? Opo, para pong, I think Wi-Fi related na po ito, no? Tingnan natin. Parang Wi-Fi related na po ba?
I think Wi-Fi related na po ito, no?
Ayan, parang meron na po. Ayan, meron na. Okay. So, let us check ha. Okay, Kuyang Melvin, eto na. Sir Donato, Ma'am Miriam. Okay. Okay, ngayon po back to ano tayo. Umpisa ulit natin. So, ngayon po ay October 12, Saturday. It's an Earth Rooster enters the Close Officer Day. So, pag Close Officer Day, ano bang meron? Okay, isa-isahin natin. Pag Close Officer Day, sabi po dito, good for renovation, house cleaning, groundbreaking, utility services, burial, buying a new car, haircut, purchases. Hi to Noble Architect, Danfred, sir. Nobs, meron na bang audio? Okay na tayo? Meron na? You can... Pangatlo na to. Pangatlo na. So, pwede yun and then, iwas sa legal matters, medical procedure, celebration, and investment. Pero kung hindi maiiwasan, BFF, daily chimen mo yan. At ang daily chimen po, ang maganda po ngayon dito is that, ang game changer po, ang Green Dragon at Absolute Support, with the scenery door to 10x you being beautiful and handsome, 7 stars po, nakatalikod sa southwest. At doon naman po sa, if you want good health, great health, to recover from sickness and illness, talikod ka naman sa northeast, buong araw naman po itong Flying Bird Fall into Cave and Absolute Support. Wow! Ganda! So, gamitin ko po ito either backing to northeast or backing to southwest. Buong araw starting now na nag-uusap tayo. Okay, so again, BFF, I like just to keep it short. Alam naman po natin, maybe it's raining or the Wi-Fi is not that stable. So medyo apologies po na hindi po tayo nag-push through po kanina for the second time. Ayan po, but don't you worry. At least nakapag-share po tayo. Ma'am Jenaline, thanks po. So yun po So tomorrow, we keep it more earlier, much earlier, and then ano po natin yung ano. But just don't forget, ngayon po, game changer po, it's Southwest, Green Dragon buong araw, and backing to Northeast naman, Flying Bird Fall into Cave. Again, BFF, thank you so much. Let us continuously pray for each other. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us seal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. With a grateful heart, muna po salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you.